My people that do una good morning. Now do that good morning. I beg. I dey send this message all the way from Italy. They call the rational ear. I beg anybody who receive my message, make no overlook the message. I beg. Make una share my message, make it reach Buhari ear. Make una send my message. Make una send my message, make it reach our great man of God, them Apostle Suleiman, them TB Joshua, them Onyedipo, them Kumuyi, them all those great men of God in the Nigeria beg. May they join us for prayer. Can please only prayer fix up the please only prayer fix of this case. I said they talk to you for years. You don't be this sickness don't begin to keep black. You don't kill one for me like kill one for Napoli. People with this sickness, they call ambulance. Ambulance not fit do anything. Italian doctors they not fit do anything because all the hospitals don't full. Everywhere don't full. Nowhere to admit anybody again. Anybody they sick, you go die inside the house. I beg me to join us for prayer. No need prayer fit help us. I beg we need prayer. Wanna pray for the nation. Wanna pray for Italy. Wanna pray for China. Wanna pray for all over the world. Now it is something countries now this virus they are beg. Wanna join us for prayer. Wanna join us for prayer. God bless you guys.
Hello guys, this is your lady Mary Edos. This message is to Mama Gladys. Mama Gladys, you dey lie, sha? You dey lie, sha? Because of YouTube money, not really just dey talk. Coronavirus, whether na coro, whether na corolla, I don't know. Coronavirus, you know dey catch person wey never reach 40 years. Mama Gladys, na your age dey catch. You dey hear? That girl wey dey talk say coronavirus, say don catch coronavirus wey dey for 2025. Na lie. E no dey catch young people. E dey hard. E no dey even dey catch young people sef. And baby, na your age as you just dey so Mama Gladys na e dey catch. You just dey stay for inside house, eh? No come out, eh? Yes, so make this thing wey you dey talk. So if really say this small girl really carry am, so you can't disgrace am. Join the death where she go die, you say she go road work. You see your mouth? You just dey lock yourself inside house. Oh, we are one muna. One because of what work been. Kai, you can lie. If the person get really carry coronavirus, why she not call for life for your video if not truth? You can lie. Wa muna wa iso egbe na we mudia. Sibu gwa corona. Ojupo wo han wa mu we amoso mu by fire by force. Cause if you we wa no e mu me hiome. Nya wa ni wa hiome be no wa je na o wa mu na we to agbe.
See, all those fake news one they carry they come and one don't keep them for my pocket, you understand? Because we don't too suffer for this Europe, eh? One don't keep them for my pocket. All those now fake news one they talk that time, they don't block, they die for the, as in I know who even give a title, who give a name. How not they get all those names, all those stupid things one they call themselves. Fine, it's virus, it's very dangerous, we all know. Why not for the C person die for Milan, person die for Sicily, person now if you say any trait now they follow the talk. Or now if you say will be any trait. If you want to promote your YouTube channel, go there. There's other business people are selling there. People they sell cream, people they promote their food, they cook, they promote and many stuff. Stop using all those fake news and this thing to promote your YouTube channel. No, you don't be small picking. They say more stay house. Okay, fine, we don't stay house now. Light be don't come. How person want to see money pay light be? House rent don't come. How person want to see money pay? Now the reason those things. Now they carry person don't die. This don't catch. Fake news like as in. Now even one make black even made they announce and say black don't carry black don't. If that thing they don't talk for news. What do you want? People should think, eh? People should just think. All those things is too much. Now they carry fake news. They lie. I don't know where now for concept. It just they verse me. Mama this, mama that, mama this. Now when you went there Germany, you know say something they happen for Milan. You went there Holland, you know something they happen for Sicily. Different all those single mother. If you be my sister, I go the sister you. You not go try her, you understand? Now all those things now just spoil Europe. Now make our small girls now lay now they follow so. I wish on lay foundation so put for grant that all those our small girls when they shake for life they for no copy now. More now wait. When you carry fake news, they tell say this and do this one, this and do that one, this and do this one. Okay, when they talk and I say more the fear or something like that. It's more than the reason. More than you should stop all those fake news. People should stop it. No for what they carry the news they come. Jesus Christ don't fit die for our sins. Understand? Jesus Christ, he now be the only thing when they fear for this life. You understand? So I know say on that thing when you say now do this one, do that one, on the kind. More people should stop bringing fake news. Now they fake for you. Now don't come from Nigeria, don't come you, don't they fake everything. Eh? More now go they work. Fine, one of us on the side now. No be side with this one. The virus not go finish. The coronavirus not go finish. Now women, as in now Europe now, person go even marry now. Women. Una not even go husband. Now husband they talk. My husband they talk safe. I don't even they vex me for inside. Now no get tradition. Now when they find man when I go they marry, now cause and Stevie come, you sit down, you conquer, go kitchen, go careful come, do this one for me. But if I see man with action, now call like by come on, this man they beat me. Stupid women. You're the vessel now. People should just leave us alone. Leave the social media alone. Leave coronavirus alone. Let it be. We black, we are different. You understand? Science talker, he say anything that is very hot. You know, say our body don't already hot. You understand? We cannot contact this thing easily the way other people are contacting it. You understand? Just that our body they different. You understand? I don't know anything and they talk. But we just have to be careful. Not be say we say we not fit carry coronavirus, go to kiss person when you get her, or we go to sleep with person when you get her. No. You just have to be careful. Now talk say as thank God say they ever talk say see black when this coronavirus kill. At least thank God all the old black now they very careful. Anything when they do them with IQ and all those kinds of things. Yes, people now they encourage people. You see that they make people they fear. When I say you don't kill this one, you don't kill that one, you don't kill this one. All they devil people. Now they poison all the people mind. No, they send me voice record again. If you know they send me voice record, if you are my friend on Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, if you send me this stupid voice record about those useless women, I will just block you, telling you my mind. Everybody eyes just the red now.